All right, so if you haven't sensed the theme yet, you're gonna continue to see this theme. But the future of orthopedics is metal-free. And we founded Magsorbeo after seeing a lack of adoption from the first generation of absorbable metal implants in orthopedic fixation. So absorbable implants in orthopedics have the opportunity to improve outcomes for millions of patients and save healthcare systems billions of dollars. Our mission is to finally deliver on that promise. So typically you're looking at, for these patients, 2 million a year across the world, implants like plate screws, pins that go into bone, hold them together while they heal, typically made out of titanium, stainless. The fundamental problem here is these are implants with a very temporary function, often left in the body permanently, where they then lead to oftentimes 1 out of 4 severe complications. This means we need to treat that patient. And for those patients that need to be treated, they go through a really complex journey. So journey full of time, trauma, cost. In the US healthcare system, very few patients make it to the end of this journey, and that's because surgeons don't like removing hardware. Hospital systems lose money on it, and of course the patient doesn't want to go through that surgery. For the patients who make it through to the very end, after their 16 days of recovery away from work or school, they report overwhelmingly improvements in reduced pain and improved function. And so the question is, how do we get those same outcomes for all patients without all that time, trauma, and cost? The answer is, well, if the hardware was absorbable, we could do that. The challenge is getting the right strength and absorption. With the first generation of absorbable metal implants that I mentioned, they have the strength, they don't have the absorption. So that uncontrolled absorption leads to gaps in the bone. You can see it here. It means an instability and a failure that defeats the entire purpose of what we just did. So we need to control absorption. And so that's where our Curorb alloy comes in. It's the first and it's the only alloy that can do that and is proven to do that in a large animal preclinical without a coating. That's really novel. Our team, biomaterials experts out of Boston Scientific, we've already done this once before. So we've done an absorbable magnesium alloy for coronary stents. It's on the market. We're joined by 2 Stryker alums, serial entrepreneurs, clinical and regulatory experts. And so what is our plan? Our go-to-market plan, 510K in 2027 in ortho extremities with a headless compression screw, followed by a maxillofacial plating system. That's a de novo. We've tested that out with FDA. We're on our 5th pre-sub. We have go-to-market partners, sales and distribution partners, gets us into 5,000 hospitals in the US as soon as we launch. Obviously, these are huge markets. Where we are right now, raising a $1.2 million pre-seed round, seed round on a convertible note. This follows our $1 million pre-seed round. After that seed plus round, both rounds being led by New Fund Venture Group. And I'll get to the terms here in a minute. But long story short, we're a fast follower with a superior technology, a clear path to market. The exits in the space are huge. Fast followers exit very quickly. We've already had one of our competitors exit. It's a coded technology, so we've got a larger adjustable market. We know who the strategic targets are. We're engaged with them. Our exit window opens in 2027 when we get that first in-human clinical data. And again, we're raising a $1.2 million seed round on a convertible note. We have $480K left open on that round. Thank you.